x raised to the power of 3 over 2 equals 3 number 3 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we have this very important question here to solve. So from here, what do we do? How do we solve this thing? We have to find x. How do we find x? So the first thing we have, let's solution. So we have x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now we want to bring this one to this side. When we bring it to this side, it becomes minus 3 number 3 over 2 equals 0. Now we brought it over to this side. And remember that whenever you have a raised to the power of 1 over 2, it's still the same as writing square root of a. So because this 2 turns to square root, so we'll have that here. We'll have square root of x, then raised to the power of 3 minus square root of 3 then raised to the power of 3 equals 0. All right, and don't forget that when you have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, it will give us a minus b, right, bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared, right? So from here, what do we do? So we assume this is a, this is b. So what will this give us? This will give us, it will give us root x minus root 3 bracket root x squared plus root x multiplied by root 3 plus root 3 squared, right, bracket, right? So from here we'll work out this. We have root x minus root 3, and now we have brackets, square root cancel, root cancel square root, we have x plus, and then here we have this multiplied by this, we have root 3x, and then we have plus square cancel square root, we have root 3. So from here equals 0. We'll not forget our equals 0. Equals 0. So from here, what do? We'll now equate this bracket equates with this 0. We equate this bracket to the 0. We equate this bracket with the 0. So from here we have x root x minus root 3 equals 0. What will this give us? It will have root x. We'll make root x the subject of the formula. Root x equals 0. This will come here. That means equals root 3, and then what do? When we square root both sides, we square root both sides to get rid of this square root, then x will be equals to this side square cancel square root 3. So x1 equals 3, and actually we have to find all the roots. So x1 equals 3. Now for this place, that's for the x to x plus root 3x plus root 3 plus, okay, this root has been cancelled, that's 3 plus 3, right, equals 0. So what do? We'll make this one the subject of the formula. That's root 3x equals 0 minus x minus 3. That would be minus x minus 3. And then when we square this both sides, we square both sides here, square cancel square root, we have 3x, and here we'll square both sides, we'll have minus x minus 3 and minus x minus 3. So we'll expand the bracket here. We have 3x equals, then we have minus x bracket minus x minus 3, and we have minus 3 minus x minus 3. So from here we have minus and minus plus, we have x squared, we have 3x equals x squared, and then minus and minus plus 3x, and then minus 3 times, and so it will give us plus 3 times x, it will give us 3x, and minus times minus is going to give us plus 9. From here we have 3x equals x squared plus 3x plus 3x to give us 6x plus 9. All right, so from here we have x squared. We can bring this one first, x squared plus 6x, and then we'll minus this one, minus 3x, and then plus 9 equals 0. We'll now bring everything in there, and then we have x squared plus 6x minus 3x, which gives us 3x plus 9 equals 0. So from here we know we have a quadratic equation. From here we have a quadratic equation, and what do? So from here we'll use our formula method, x equals minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we're using our formula method, and from here we have this as a, b, and c. So x equals minus b, that's minus 3, plus or minus square root, right, b squared, that's 3 squared, minus 4ac. A is 1, that's 1, times c is 9, that's 9, then over 2a, that's 2 times 1. So from here we can have minus 3 plus or minus square root 3 squared, that's 9, minus 4 times 1 times 9, that's 36, then over 2, right? So from here, come here, we have minus 3x equals minus 3 plus or minus square root, then 9 minus 36 will give us minus 27, then over 2. Now from here, this will be our x2 and x3. So from here we can simplify this one by doing equals to minus 3 plus or minus, now minus root minus 27 can be split into root 9 times root 3 times root minus 1, right, divided by 2. So from here equals to, from here we have minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 is 3 and times root 3, now times root minus 1. Root minus 1 is going to give us I, and so we have divided by 2 over 2. And so coming here we have minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i over 2. So from here what can we do? From here we can just bring out 3. We can just make 3, bring out 3, and we have minus 1 plus or minus root 3i. When we bring out 3 from this one, and we have over 2. So this will be a value for x2 and 3. x2 and x3. Well, the x2, one will be plus, one will be minus for this. So this will be the value for x2 and x3, and this is the value for x1. x1 equals to 3, and x2 and 3 is this answer. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you.